Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. First of all, let me clarify that why we have started this series of Arabic grammar. Actually, I observed in the research tab of my YouTube. You can see this is the research tab of my YouTube channel, AHTN 313. You can see here that the people in YouTube, in the community of YouTube, are searching Arabic grammar with high search of volume, and this is the need of the people. Therefore, we decided to start the Arabic grammar series as well. So today is our first video about Arabic grammar. You can see here in Arabic speech there is a content gap, and similarly in Arabic words you can see there is a content gap. So we will try to make videos for Arabic speech as well in our coming future days, near days. Okay, come to our today's lecture. Today we will start the essentials of Arabic grammar for learning Quranic language. Actually, you know, the Arabic is the language of Quran. Therefore, the Muslim authors, they use Arabic grammar for learning Quranic language or something else. But you know, most of the people in the world, they need Arabic language, so they are interested in Arabic grammar. Therefore, we have decided to start the Arabic grammar series. If you are interested in this, you are at right place. You should not skip the video. You should watch the video till end. So come to the first lesson. You can see here the first lesson is about where. This is the content table. The first lesson is parts of speech. In Arabic, you can see here the noun, the verb, the harf, the vowels, the verbal noun. And then the second lesson is the gender of noun. Lesson number 2, gender of noun, real gender, formal gender, exceptional cases, common gender. In third lesson is the number of nouns, wahid or mufrad, thaniya, the plural of nouns and adjectives, the sound plural in Arabic, the broken plural in Arabic. And lesson number 4 is the pronouns. Pronouns attached to a verb, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, the relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns. Lesson number 5 is the i'rab of nouns. This is very important lesson. Lesson number 6, the adjective phrase. Lesson number 7, the relative phrase. Lesson number 8, the demonstrative phrase. Lesson number 9, the genitive phrase. And lesson number 10 is regarding the sentence. Lesson number 11, some particles of various origin. Then the author of the book has started lesson number 12 with the verb, perfect tense, the verbal sentences, the imperfect tense. So there are so many lessons in this book. Let us start the first lesson. The first lesson is related to, this is the first lesson. Lesson number 1, parts of speech. This is called in Arabic aqsamul kalima. Aqsamul kalima. Parts of speech. Parts of speech. You can see here in our screen, we started the Arabic lessons from the very beginning. So first of all, you know the very basic word in Arabic is kalima. This kalima. This is very basic word in Arabic. If you are interested to learn Arabic grammar and you want to enhance the skill of your Arabic grammar, you should clarify the word kalima in your mind. So what is kalima? A meaningful word in Arabic is called kalima. Kalimatun or kalima. Kalima. A meaningful word in Arabic is called kalima. Kalima. It has only three parts. Three types of words are in the category of kalima. In other words, there are only three parts of speech in Arabic. There are only three parts of speech. Actually, this is very deep point. The basic parts of speech are really three. The basic parts of speech in Arabic are three. But after learning some lessons from Arabic grammar, we will divide each part into some subcategories. So the first part is called ismun. Ismun. The word for ismun in English language is used noun. The first part of the speech is noun. The literal meaning of the noun is name. You can see here. The literal meaning of the noun of the ism is name. It is that word which does not need the help of another word to explain its meaning. The word ism should be very clear in its meaning. It is very necessary and very important point for ism, for noun. It does not need any other word for the explanation of the meaning of this. It is the name of a person. Same in English. It is the name of a place. Yes, same in English. And it is the name of the thing. And the term ismun, includes the adjective nouns as well. This is the difference between Arabic and English. You can see in English that the noun is the separate category and the adjective is the separate category. But the adjective nouns are under the umbrella of ism in the Arabic language. For example, Muhammad. Muhammad, this is the name of person. Ahmad. Ahmad. This is the name of person. In English, William. William. This is the name of person. Jurhun. Jurhun. George. Okay. The next word is Zainab. Aisha. Maryam. Tahira. Tahira. Pakistan. You know, you should keep in your mind that in the Arabic there is no any sound like pa. Sound of P is not available in Arabic. They use ba, sound of B, ba in the place of P. London. This is London, but in Arabic this is London. The Arabian people do not use da, sound of da. They do not use this sound. France. Al-Bayt. The house. This is the name of the place. Al-Masjid, the mosque. Al-Masjid, the mosque. Qalamun, the pen. It's the name of thing, you know. Al-Kitab, the name of thing. The book. Al-Jannah, the garden. Al-Jannah, the garden. Kaaba, Kaaba. Kaaba, you know in Arabic, Kaaba is the very important place for Muslims. Al-Waraq, 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 the paper. Al-Waraq, the paper. Leaf, Al-Waraq, the paper. Al-Waraq is used for both, for paper as well and for leaf of the tree as well. Ta'amun, Ta'amun, food. Ta'amun for food. Zillun, 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 a shed. Shed. Zillun is used for shed. Al-Jism, Al-Jismu. This is used for the body. The body. This is used for the body. Yadun, 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 a hand. Yadun, a hand. Qamisun, 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 a shirt. Al-Ghar, Al-Ghar. This is used for the cave. The meaning of al-ghar in English is the cave. Al-Kursiyu, Al-Kursiyu, the chair. Al-Kursiyu, you know, the chair is the noun and it is used for thing. So, Qadamun, a foot. Qadamun, a foot. Sorry, foot, not food, foot. Qadamun, a foot. Sorry. Actually, there are my kids here near me. They are disturbing me during the class. Okay. Al-Bint, Al-Bintu, the girl. Waladun, Waladun, a boy. Waladun. My kids are also enjoying the Arabic class. They are near me. Talib, Talibun, student. Talib, student. Rajulun, a man. Rajulun, a man. Faras, Farasun, a horse. Farasun, Faras, a horse. Al-Ainu, Al-Ainu, the eye. Al-Ainu, the eye. The eye. Udhunun, Udhunun, an ear. An ear. Udhunun. Al-Muslimu, Al-Muslimu, the Muslim. Al-Kafiru, the non-believer of Islam. Al-Kafiru, the non-believer of Islam. Nasraniyun, a Christian. Nasraniyun, a Christian. Nasraniyun, a Christian. Yahudiyun, a Jew. Yahudiyun, a Jew. These all the examples of the ism. We will explain in our coming lectures in detail the ism, and we will divide the ism into the different categories. As-Salih. We told you that there is a what? We told you that what? Yes, this ism. The term ism includes the adjective nouns. As-Sifa. The term ism includes the adjective nouns in Arabic. So now these from here, these are the examples of the adjective nouns. These are the examples of the adjective noun. As-Salihu, As-Salihu, the pious, righteous person. Fasiqun, Fasiqun, a disobedient. Nasirun, a helper. Nasirun, a helper. Sha'irun, a poet. Sha'irun, a poet. Al-alimu, the knowledgeable. Al-alimu, the knowledgeable. Al-jahilu, 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 the ignorant. Al-jadidu, 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 the new. Al-qadimu, 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 the old. As-sami'u, As-sami'u, the all hearing. You know, this is the name of Allah Almighty. Al-Alimu, Al-Alimu, the all-knowing, etc. These are the examples of the noun. So, in our today's lecture, we tried to learn the ism. I told you in the beginning, if you are interested in the Arabic grammar, you should know and you should clarify the concept of kalima in your mind. It has three parts. The first part is ism. It is called noun. The literal meaning of the ism is name. And I told you that the term ism includes the adjective nouns as well. So that's all. That was our today's lecture. Hope you are enjoying with us and you are learning with us. If you did not subscribe till our channel, you should subscribe to our channel. You should like our videos. And one more thing for you, it is your duty. You should write some isms from Arabic in comment section to tell us that you have understood the lecture. Thank you.